I'll be very frank, no, napanood ko yun even before pinakita ni Maharlika. And I was told, Ina at Franco, mga kababayan, that this has been authenticated, double authentication ito. Meaning, number one, yung isang authentication niya on 2 levels is that it is not a fake. It is indeed authentic. And then number 2, on the second level, that it is indeed Bongbong Marcos that we see. Now, so, like I said, this wasn't the first time na nakita ko itong video na ito. Pero tuwing nakikita ko ito, para ako nasasampal talaga. Ang lungkot-lungkot ng pakiramdam ko. No, na, how did we get to this point? Paano umabot ang Pilipinas sa ganitong level? No? Na ang ating Pangulo ay gumagamit ng ipinagbabawal na gamot. No, so, it's so shocking kasi on so many levels, no? And somebody who because no, as every Filipino family has been touched with something like this drug addiction, no? I know what it's like, no? I have family members who were in the grip of an addiction, and let me tell you, they cannot even manage their lives.